Where has Dave been? That might be the question on some of your minds as we launch a brand new video here at the Cryptopreneurs channel. Today is an update video. I just want to share with you what's going on here at the channel, and I want to share with you where I've been, actually. I've been busy hunkering down and creating a Crypto Masterclass. I've created a lot of online courses over the years, and I was so excited to create this Crypto Masterclass. It's really an in-depth, comprehensive course specially designed for newbies to crypto who know nothing about crypto but want to learn. And it's really designed to take you step by step by step through the process of understanding crypto, what makes it work, what makes it so exciting to all of us, and how you can buy it, sell it, trade it, transfer it, all that kind of thing, how to keep your crypto secure and safe, and all the things that a newbie needs to know. Well, that's just part one. Part two shows you over 12 different ways to earn free crypto. And that's the exciting part, right? Once you know the basics, you want to know, okay, what can I do with this? How can I make some money with it, right? Well, there's all kinds of ways, and in this course, I teach 12 different ways that you can earn free cryptocurrency. And what I love about that is it takes all the risk out of crypto, right? Because let's say I invest $1,000 or $10,000 into a coin or a project, there's a lot of inherent risk in doing that, especially if the market goes down, crashes, or whatever. But if all your crypto has been earned for free, then there's no risk, right? You didn't invest any money, you didn't risk any cash into that crypto. So that's why I love free crypto, and especially for newbies who are just getting started, so you don't risk that much capital in getting started, yet you still have the benefits of crypto. Now, there's all kinds of amazing ways to earn free crypto. There's play to earn, which is gaming. There's step to earn, workout to earn. There's bike to earn. There's drive to earn. There's all kinds of ways to earn free crypto. And in this masterclass, I share with you a dozen ways to do that. Not only that, but as new cool opportunities come along, I will be adding to the Crypto Masterclass to add those new opportunities as well. So it's an ever-living, ever-breathing masterclass that will continue to grow and grow in content and give you updates along the way. So that's one exciting thing I wanted to share with you. That's the reason I've been out of pocket for the last several weeks, actually. And I wanted to share that with you. I will put a link in the description below to the masterclass so that you know where to find it and you can check it out. But the other thing I wanted to share with you that's very exciting is I've just hired a virtual assistant that is going to help me come up with video topics that I will create videos on. And my goal is to create a video every day, at least one a day, and ideally 2 a day as we continue to grow this channel, grow this audience. I'm telling you, we're at the beginning of some really exciting times in crypto right now. We're still very, very early. In fact, the mass of population has not even started to think about crypto yet. So we're in an incredible time to be able to get in, start paddling out to the wave, and then ride that crypto wave all the way to financial independence. And so I want you to know that this is the time. If you've thought about doing something in crypto, whether it's investing or getting into free ways to earn crypto, or developing your own content around crypto, whatever it is that you've thought you should do, this is the time to do it. Now, this is also a time where there's going to be a lot of ups and downs, right? So be aware of that it's going to be very turbulent during these early days. That's just the nature of the beast. That's just what happens no matter what you do when you're starting out as a really, really early adopter. But it's those really, really early adopters that if they can ride out those waves, they can achieve massive, massive financial independence and wealth by doing that. So my commitment to you is to provide you consistent and constant content, right? To make sure that you get the latest news on crypto opportunities, crypto business opportunities, ways to earn free crypto, other ways to earn crypto, so that you are always updated. You always know what's going on. You've got the alpha, so to speak, on new opportunities with crypto. So if you like that, then be sure to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time on the Cryptopreneurs channel.